Morning students, in previous class I had solved some problems from exercise 7a. Today I am going to solve question number 7. Find the greatest number which is a factor of 5, 0, 4, 792 and 1080. बड़ी सी बड़ी संख्या ज्ञात करें जो कि 504, 792 और 1080 का गुणक है. To find the factor of 504, 792 and 1080, that will be the HCF of the given number. So first of all, we find the HCF of the given number by division method. 7 number question. 7. 504, 792 and 1020, 180. First of all, we find the HCF of 504 and 792. After that, the HCF of the HCF will be the required HCF, the factor of the given numbers. So first of all, we find the HCF of two numbers 504 and 792. 504 and 792. 504 goes one time in 792. On subtracting we have 8, 288. Now the remainder is a divisor and dividend is 504. Again dividing by 2. By 2, what is 16, 17, 1, 288 minus 6, 68. Again, here remainder is less than the divisor, so new dividend is equal to 288. 288. Dividing by again 1, 216, 72, again dividing by 216, dividing charge, 3. This is HCF of the two numbers 504 and 792. HCF now we divide 772 by 1080, dividing by 4 1, 72, 6, 0, 5, 1 many does, 35, 30. Required HCF is equal to required HCF is equal to, we have to find the greatest number which is a factor of, is the required greatest number. The required greatest number is equal to 72. Answer. If we have to find the greatest number of the given numbers, then first of all we find the HCF of the two numbers 504 and 792. then the HCF of the two numbers and the last third number will be the required HCF. Hence, required greatest number is equal to 72. Now, 8 number question. Find the largest number by which when 245 and 1029 are divided, remainder in each case is 5. To get remainder in each case, first of all, we subtract remainder from the given numbers. 8 number question. Solution 8. Solution 8. 245 minus 45. 245 minus 5 is equal to 240, and again we subtract 5 from 1029. 1029 minus 5 is equal to 1024. Now HCF of 240 and 1024 is equal to here 240 is less than 1024. So first of all we divide 1024 by 224. HCF of 240 and 1024. Panchok piece, Panchok 0, Panchok 10 to bar, 4 0, 4 16. If we divide 240 by 4, 4 0 0, 4 16, 4 9. On subtracting, remainder is 4, 64, and again we divide by 64 in 240. Panchok 20, Panchok 20, Panchok 30 to 32, 4, 4 16, 4 3. Dividing 240 by 64. 64 goes 3 times in 240. So we take quotient as 3 and product is 312, 318, 19. 312, 318, plus 8. 64, again dividing by 48, 8, dividing by 48, 3, 48. Hence the greatest number is equal to largest number. Hence the largest number is equal to largest number is equal to 16. We have to find the largest number which when 245 and 1029 are divided, remainder in each case. To get remainder in each case, first of all we subtract 5 from the given numbers, and after that we will find the HCF of 240 and 1024. So the largest number is equal to 16 answer. In question number 9, the length, breadth and height of a room are 825 centimeter, 675 centimeter and 450 50 centimeter respectively. Find the longest tape which can measure the three dimensions of the room exactly. The longest tape which can measure the three dimensions of the room exactly will be the HCF of 825 centimeter, 675 centimeter and 450 centimeter. So first of all, we find the HCF of the two numbers 675 and 450 centimeter. 9 number question. HCF of the largest tape, which can measure the room exactly, will be the HCF of 825 centimeter, 675 centimeter, and 450 centimeter. So first of all, we find the HCF of 450 centimeter and 675 centimeter. By division method, 450, 675. 450 goes one time in 675. So we write 450 under dividend 5 to 2. Here remainder is less than divisor, so we suppose 225 as divisor and divide in 450. Dividing by 2, 450, 200. Again, we find the HCF of 225 and 825 is equal to 225 and 825. 2, 3, 6, 3, 4, 3. Goes 3 times in 825. Multiply 225 by 3, we get 675. Subtracting, remainder is 0, etc. Again, dividing 225 by 150 goes one time, minus 575, and after that again we divide 150 by 75. In 150, 75 goes 2 times, 150. Hence the longest tape which can measure the room exactly will be the, hence length of longest tape is equal to, hence the length of longest tape will be 75 centimeter. Answer. In question number 10, solution 10, two ropes of length 16 meter and 24 meter are to be cut into small pieces of equal length. What will be the maximum length of each piece? We know that the maximum length of each piece will be the HCF of 16 meter and 24 meter. The maximum length of each piece, the maximum length of each piece will be the HCF of 16 meter and 24 meter. So first of all, we find the HCF of 16 meter and 24 meter by division method. 24 goes one time in 24. On subtracting, remainder is 8. Again dividing 16 by 8. Hence the maximum length of each piece will be 8 meter. Hence maximum length of each piece. Maximum length of each piece is equal to 8 meter answer. Now the exercise is completed. In next class, we will start lowest common multiple of exercise 7b. In next class, I will start examples of exercise 7b, in which we will study about lowest common multiple and properties of HCl and LCM by common division method and prime factorization method. So in next class, I will start common multiples. Thank you.